I did upload a new video, but the CC captions don't work on this video. So if I go to play back the video, this is on YouTube. If I'll just reload the page for you if you want. The CC button here, it's grayed. It does not work. And here's how to do it, how to fix this. So wait perhaps 1 hour after uploading a video, 1 hour, and then go back to this page. This is the same page. I just re-uploaded. So if you want, I just re-uploaded the page. And now 1 hour later, you will see these things. The CC caption still won't be working. It's still grayed, but depends on the length of the video. You'll see this duplicate and edit and add here. So before it was just an add. So when you see these things, just click duplicate and edit, confirm, continue. And basically this is the translation, but it still doesn't appear, even if the software did translate something. All you need to do, you don't have to change anything here. All you need to do, just click publish. And at this point, let's give it a few seconds, you will see here again duplicate and edit, but then you will see edit. When you see this edit thing, it's no longer add like before. When you see this, it means the CC captions are working now. So let's just reload once again this page. So it was like great before. Let's just upload it again, reload it. And then you have it. The CC button is fully functional at this moment, and you can obviously change the languages, auto translate. You can change any language that you like. Now there is a few issues with this. Is if maybe 1 hour later or 2 hours later you don't see these two things, duplicate and the add, you will if 1 hour later you still see something like this, come back maybe 1 day later. But most of the times, if you always have this button add like this, it means the software did not work to translate your video. It just did not work. There is a glitch. Oftentimes this happens because you don't speak clearly and loudly from the starting of the video. So try to just right off the video say something, hello, this is a video, blah blah blah. Just be loud and clear. Don't speak from a distance from the mic. Just speak near the mic, loud and clear. And most of the times there should be the possibility to have those CC caption. You will see the duplicate and edit and the other buttons. So you will be able to do this trick and force the CC captions to work manually. And you need to do this every single time on your channel. I do have a video showing how to set the CC captions to work automatically, to just have this CC button automatically on all videos. However, on some channels there is no real logic on this. On some channels there is a glitch. Just like on my channel there is a glitch. That automatic CC button never works. I have to do it video by video. Every time I upload a video, I go and do this duplicate and edit trick on every single video that I upload, and it's working on most of them where I speak clearly. But I have to do it manually, and there is no way to fix these things. Actually, I did even contact support from YouTube. It didn't help me. On some channels, you never know why your channel is like this. Some very few channels have this problem. For the rest of them, there is an automatic setting. I will link you a video about that, and that may work for you or may not work. So you won't need to manually fix every single video that you upload. Just check that link.